Hello everyone and welcome to Invest with Sanjeev KMR BJP. Please watch this video with a cup of tea because today I am going to discuss about cup and handle pattern. Just I am sharing the mind map. Before moving forward, please press the like button. Thank you. Cup and handle pattern. This is very popular pattern, but most of the people are confused. But after watching this video, your all confusion will become your confidence. Thank you. So this is the bullish continuation pattern. Share price was in uptrend. Due to profit booking, it's moving down. Here is support, moving up, again down. When you see this kind of pattern, draw this kind of pattern. Okay, it looks like a cup. This is a U shape, not V shape. It should not be like V shape. It should be U shape. And here again, selling started moving down and it created cup, a handle, not cup, handle. This is a cup, this is a handle, and after formation of handle, it will give you the breakout candle. And the breakout candle should be with big volume. This is the confirmation of continuation. It means trend will be continuous. Share price was in uptrend. In between, there was some consolidation phase, but again, the trend will be continue, uptrend will be continue. This was the cup and handle pattern. So I have already discussed all four types of continuation pattern in my previous video. So if you found these all videos are useful, please comment below what is your key learning. Thank you so much.